Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the keyboard and base enclosure. Removal. Disconnect the battery cable from its connector on the system board. Important: make careful note of the routing of the wireless antenna and display panel cables for later replacement. Remove the wireless antenna cable from the routing channel on the top cover. Peel back the retention tape and disconnect the display panel cable from its connector on the system board. Remove the display panel cable from the routing channel on the top cover. Remove the 5mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the left display panel hinge to the top cover. Carefully open the left display panel hinge. Remove the 5mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the right display panel hinge to the top cover. Carefully open the right display panel hinge. Lift the top cover and carefully guide it out from under the display panel hinges. Caution: take care not to scratch the display panel or top cover. Remove the top cover. Replacement. Carefully guide the top cover underneath the display panel hinges and lower it into position. Caution: take care not to scratch the display panel or top cover. Important: ensure that the wireless antenna and display panel cables are free from being pinched between the top cover and display panel assembly. Close the right display panel hinge. Replace the 5mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the right display panel hinge to the top cover. Close the left display panel hinge. Replace the 5mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the left display panel hinge to the top cover. Connect the display panel cable into its connector on the system board and replace the retention tape. Route the display panel cable through the routing channel on the top cover. Route the wireless antenna cable through the routing channel on the top cover. Connect the battery cable into its connector on the system board.